thank you for watching and being part of and engaging with the college content series created by my amazing summer intern, Nika Kindred. This is the final video in this series created and scripted by Nika. You've probably watched, and I hope you've watched, the other videos that she created for you. How to take a perfect headshot. This week, we're going to talk LinkedIn.
So today we're going to be talking about all the resume questions.
I'm going to put in the show notes, or actually Nika, because she's editing this video and putting this up on YouTube. Nika's going to put in the show notes links to blog posts on my blog that has more content. Yes, there's more than the video. If you've just been hanging out here with us on YouTube, there is more content over on the blog from, oh my God, a stream of stuff on resumes, plus other posts that I wrote, because Nika has come up with such amazing content and ideas and has spurred me into creativity. So hope you've enjoyed the series and thanks for being part of it.